Alright, pay attention, this is going to go fast. I want you to grow your own food. A lot of people like the milk jugs that we grew plants in, but they didn't want to build the ladder system. I'm going to take these milk jugs and grow them on a table, and we're going to grow twice as much in a small space. The table's only 4 by 6, and we're not even going to use all of it. After you save up all your milk jugs, you're going to need one pool noodle. Now this is how I make the plug so I don't squish my microgreens. Now I used to do it like this, but it made a lot of waste, and I don't like waste. Ugh. So now I do it like this. I cut a section of pool noodle the width of the opening of the milk jug, just like this. Then I cut each section into 5 equal pieces. Now to make the hole, I use a soldering iron. After I burned my fingers a few times, I figured out how to do it. And after I got the hang of it, it went pretty quick. And I fill the jugs with nutrients just like I did before. Line up my milk jugs. Get my microgreens. I cut a slot to the hole I made in the center. And I put in a few microgreens. Then I gently put it into the milk jug. That easy. That's how you grow a lot of food in a small space with little care. Keep on growing.